Hello everyone. We'll see today problems on conjugate beam method. So next problem is simply supported beam and the couple is acting on the beam. Okay. So first step same. First find out the reaction. So summation y equal to 0 upward as positive. Va plus Vb equal to total is 20 into 4 and while taking this reaction summation y this doesn't act. This only will act only when the taking the moment. Okay, so it is Va plus Vb equal to 20 into 4 total distance. 20 is UDL, so 80 kilonewton. Summation y Ma is equal to 0, clockwise is positive, so this will be anti-clockwise, so minus Vb into 4 plus this is clockwise, so plus 20 into 4 into half of it, so 4 by 2. Then this directly it is anti-clockwise, so it is minus 40 equal to 0. Why it is only just 40? We should not multiply by distance because this already in a couple is nothing but a moment itself. So it is already in kilonewton meter. So just consider only the value. Don't multiply by distance. Okay. So then get the value, calculate and get the value of Vb is 30 kilonewton. Substitute here, you will get Va 80 minus 30 is 50 kilonewton. Okay. Next step to find out the bending moment. So bending moment at A and B at the free end is 0. Next bending moment at C. Here because couple is acting, we have to consider left of C and right of C. So first you consider left of C. So left of C means your section is somewhere here. Okay. So for that you can just calculate upward as positive, downward as negative. So upward is 50. 50 into 2 minus 20 into only up to C, that is 2 meter distance. So 20 into 2 into UDL perpendicular distance is half of the distance, so 2 by 2, which is equal to 60 kilonewton meter. Then while considering right of C, so here till here it will be same value, that is 60 whatever you have got here, and right of C you have to consider this moment. Okay, to consider this moment, see this couple. Now we are considering right of C, so you have to consider the member CB. Okay, see the member CB, how it moves. See this arrow mark, it pushes this beam upwards. So if beam pushes upwards, okay, upward you have negative. Okay, beam pushes upward, it is negative. Beam pushes downward, directly you can write it as positive value. Okay, that is the difference, hogging and sagging bending moment. This is better I feel because you can just see this, which region you are going to consider, and see the beam how it bends. So if beam bends upward, then it is negative. Beam bends downward, then it is positive. Here the beam bends upward, so it will be 60 minus 40. Okay, minus 40. So calculate, you get the value of MC right of C, that is 20. Just substitute here 0. Left of C is 60, right of C is 20. Just mark it because it is UDL, so it is parabolic curve here. So this will be a bending moment diagram. So next M by EI diagram is nothing but divided by EI. Here I is constant, so a moment of inertia is same throughout. So just divided by EI. So 60 by EI, 20 by EI. Here it is 0, and the force or this reaction, it is acting downward. Okay. Is it clear? So this reaction, if it is positive, directly it will be acting downward. Suppose if you have negative bending moment, it will be reverse of this direction. That you just remember. Okay. Next, after calculating this is a, now we have to next step. This is a conjugate beam. So conjugate beam, in that simply supported and roller support will be same. Just find out Va dash and Vb dash. So for that same, again summation y equal to 0. Now we are finding the reaction considering this bending M by EI diagram. So Va dash plus Vb dash equal to this area. For this area you see this, if it is parabolic curve, here this area will be 2/3 of BD, and if it is in other way, then it will be 1/3 of VB. So it is here, it is in this direction, parabolic curve. So it is 2/3 of BD. So 2/3 into B is distance, that is 2 meter, into D is this height. So 2/3 of 60 by EI into 2 plus this smaller area, that is 2/3 of 20 by EI into 2. This is your region 1, this is your region 2. Just calculate, you will get 106.67 by EI. Next, summation MA dash equal to 0, clockwise as positive. So see here, this is VB dash, so it is anti-clockwise, minus VB dash into total distance is 4 plus, because this is clockwise towards A dash, so it is 2/3 of 60 by EI into 2 and force into distance, perpendicular distance. So this is a centroidal distance you want for A dash with respect to A dash. So with respect to A dash is nothing but 5/8 of BD. So it is 5/8 of B. So B is nothing but distance, that is 2 meter. Again this thing. So it is plus 2/3 of 20 by EI into 2 into, this is distance you want up to A dash. So it is 3/8 of B up to here, but you want up to A dash, so you have to add by plus 2. So 3/8 of 2 plus 2. Okay, calculate, get the value of VB dash, that is 43.33 by EI. VA dash is 106 minus 43.33, you will get 63.34 by EI. Next, later once these calculations are done, then it is easy to find out deflection and slope. Slope, that is theta A, is nothing but, for slope we have shear force at A dash. So find out shear force at A dash, that is nothing but this VA dash. Okay, so VA dash you have from, if you are considering from left to right, if you are looking at this direction, so you have upward as positive, downward as negative sign convention. So it is upward, so plus VA dash is nothing but 63.34 by EI. Next, deflection at C, this point at C dash, so bending moment at C dash. Bending moment is, this is 63.34 by EI into up to C dash distance, that is 2 meter, so into 2. Then this is downward, so minus bending moment sign convention, upward positive, downward negative, so minus 2/3 of 60 by EI into 2, and this distance up to C dash, with respect to C dash, so it will be 3/8 of B. So 3/8 of B is 2 meter. Just calculate, get the value of delta C, that is 66.68 by EI. So this is your slope and deflection using this conjugate beam method. Okay, next we will see for overhanging beam. This is your overhanging beam. Here 10 kN per meter at AB, that is hanging is BC 5 kN. EI is 2 into 10 power 4 kN meter square. Given to find out delta C, delta D and theta A. First step, to find out reaction, so summation Y equal to 0, upward as positive, VA plus VB is 10 into 4 plus 5 into 2 plus 5, which is equal to 45 kN. So summation moment at A is equal to 0, clockwise as positive, so this is VB into 4 meter minus VB into 4, then this is clockwise, so 10 into 4 into 4 by 2, again this is clockwise, so plus 5 into 6, total distance 6, which is equal to 0. We will get VB as 27.5 kN. Substitute here, you will get VA as 17.5 kN. Next step, to find out bending moment diagram, upward as positive, downward negative. So MC, MA and MC equal to 0. MB is this downward, so minus 5 into 2, so it is minus 10 kN meter. Next, MD is minus 5 into this 2 meters, so minus 5 into 4 plus this one 27.5 into 2 meter distance minus 10 into 2 by 2, that is 1. This is 2 meter. Okay, so you will get 15 kN meter. Then mark it A0 here, minus 10, and this is plus 15. So this is parabolic, here it will be straight line, that is a point load. Okay, this is negative and this is positive. Now we want this point of contraflexion, that is this small junction, that is E. So we know that bending moment at this point is 0. We can see there in the diagram. So at this point bending moment is 0. Just assume that ME is equal to 0. Then from up to that distance we will consider as X. Okay. So we have this load, that is minus 5 into total you have this 2 plus 6, 2 plus X. So minus 5 into 2 plus X. Then this one 27.5 into this distance is E is here. Okay, so this will be x, so minus 5 into 2 plus x plus 27.5 into x. Then UDL you have to consider only this part. So UDL is minus 10 into x by 2, which is equal to 0. Calculate, get the value of x, that is 0.5 meter, and the remaining distance is 2 minus x, that is 2 minus 0.5. This distance will be 1.5 meter. Once this is done, next to draw M by EI diagram. So this is the M by EI diagram. Okay, see here, for positive you have load is downward acting, so this will be downward, and for this part here the load is, this is negative value, so it will be a reverse, so it is acting upward. This also is acting upward. For simplification I have done different diagram, and this overhanging beam, see here, and it is converted into conjugate beam. Conjugate beam is nothing but this internal beam, this will remain same, and this internal beam, or it will act as internal hinge. So you will have here upward and downward forces. Okay, so you have to consider both upward and downward this reaction, that while solving we will see. So and this free end will be converted to fixed end, so you will have there VC dash and even fixed moment will be there. So this is your conjugate beam diagram. Okay, once this is done, these are moment centroidal moment distances which I have written, for it is easier for the calculation. Next step, to find out, considering this diagram, you have to find out the VA dash, VB dash and VC dash. Once this is done, then you can directly find out the deflection and slope. Okay, first step, to find out reaction in the conjugate beam. So summation y is equal to 0, upward as positive. So consider only this diagram. You have VA dash plus VB dash. Okay, both are upward I have considered, which is equal to, this is downward, so it will be I have written equal sign, so it is plus. For that, area is 2/3 of 15 by EI into, you can consider full this area, that is 2 plus 1.5, that is 3.5, and this is in negative sign, so upward, so it is minus, and for this area diagram is this, so it will be, area is 1/3 of BD, so 1/3 of B is how much, 0.5, D is 10 by EI. Okay, this is your equation 1, you just consider like that. Next step, find out moment at one point, that is you can find out net moment at B dash equal to 0. So moment at MB dash is equal to 0, considered clockwise as positive. So here you have this, VA dash is clockwise, so plus VA dash into distances up to B, that is 4 meter. Next this, so it will be anti-clockwise, so minus, area is 2/3 of, consider this area, first area, that is 2/3 of 15 by EI into distance is 2 meter, and perpendicular distance you have to consider up to B dash, so up to here it is 3/8 of B, then you have to consider this whole distance, so 3/8 into 2 plus 2 meter up to B dash. Next, this small one, second region, so you have again it is minus 2/3 of, it will be 15 by EI into this distance is 1.5 meter, so 1.5 into, and for this 1.5 you have, here it is 3/8, for nearer to B dash is 5/8, so 5/8 into 2 plus small distance, that is 0.5, you have to consider up to B dash. Again this value, this is clockwise, so it will be plus and area is 1/3 of BD, 1/3 of 10 by EI into the small distance is 0.5, and perpendicular distance you have for this here from this side you have 3/4 of B, and from this side you have 1/4 of B. We want up to B dash, so it is 1/4 of B, so 1/4 of B is 0.5, which is equal to 0. Now calculate VA dash. VA dash is nothing but 19.09 by EI. Okay. Next, substitute here. Substitute in 1, you will get VB dash. Find out VB dash, substitute there and get the value. So VB dash is, you will get 14.24 by EI. Here you got positive value, so whatever you assume that upward is correct. So if this is upward, so internal hinges, it will finally make it negative 0. So net moment at that point will be 0. So if it is here upward and here it will be downward, you have to take opposite value. So here it is upward VB dash. For this beam you have to consider downward VB dash. Okay, this and this arrow mark region, that fourth region, the arrow mark will remain upward, only that reaction will be downward. Once this is done, now consider this diagram and get the value of VC dash. Here VB dash is known now, that is 14.24 by EI. So directly you can take for the diagram summation y equal to 0, upward as positive. So we have plus VC dash minus downward, so it is minus 14.24 by EI, and this is upward again, so it will be plus, triangle it is, so half into base into height, half into is 10 by EI into 2 meter, which is equal to 0. Find out VC dash. VC dash is nothing but, you will get 4.24 by EI. 4.24 by EI. So to find out theta A, that is nothing but shear force at A dash. So shear force from here, from this direction, left to right. So you have upward as positive, downward as negative. This is the sign convention. So it is upward, so it will be plus. Theta A is equal to plus VA dash. VA dash value is nothing but 19.09 by EI. Next, to find out delta C. Okay, delta C is nothing but MC dash. Okay, so it makes your beam upward, so it will be minus MC dash. Just find out that value. So for that, you can consider from here, minus MC dash is not common, so just calculate delta C equal to bending moment at C dash. So bending moment at C dash, so this is downward, VB dash is downward, so 14.24 by EI, that is minus, into distance is 2, then this is upward, so plus, half into base into height, half into 10 by EI into 2, and perpendicular distance up to C dash, that is nothing but, how much it is, 2/3 of D, so 2/3 of 2 meter, That's all, only two reactions. So you can find out delta C. That you will get minus 15.15 by F. Substitute EI, that is 2 into 10 power 4. You will have the final value minus 0.75 into 10 power minus 3 meter. You will get 0.75 mm. Deflection will be upward. So here deflection will go upward. Is it clear? Here also you substitute EI and get the value. That is 0.00095 radians. Okay, bending moment at D dash. So you have this at this point. So this will be VA, that is upward. So VA dash is value is 19.09 by EI into D dash, distance is 2 meter, then minus 2/3 of BD, 2 into 15 by EI into perpendicular distance up to D dash, that is nothing but 3/8 of B. That's all, 1 and 2. Just calculate, you will get delta D. Delta D is 23.18 by EI, which is equal to, substitute EI, you have 1.16 into 10 power minus 3 meter, which is equal to 1/6 mm. So your deflection will be, here it is plus, so it is like this, and here it goes upward. Okay, that's all. Thank you.